Hello everybody, welcome back to my Digital India with Ravindra Dastikop series. In this particular session, we'll be talking about cyber security threats. We already know that we are living in a cyberspace or an online world, and we also realize the importance of protecting or securing that cyberspace for our day-to-day activities and other missions. So in this process of actually securing our cyberspace, we need to understand as a first step towards that the threats that we face are threats that actually cause us to worry about, and that is what will be covered in this session. Now let us understand what is a threat. A threat refers to a new or newly discovered incident that has the potential to harm a system or your company overall. There are three main types of threats. Number one, natural threats such as floods, hurricanes, or tornadoes. Number two, unintentional threats like an employee mistakenly accessing the wrong information. The third one is intentional threats such as spyware, malware, adware companies, or the actions of a disgruntled employee. Worms and viruses are categorized as threats because they could cause harm to your organization through exposure to an automated attack as opposed to one perpetuated by humans. The types of cyber security threats. The process of keeping up with new technologies, security trends, and threat intelligence is a challenging task for everyone. However, it is necessary in order to protect information and other assets from cyber threats, which take many forms. Cyber threats can include the following. The first and probably the oldest threat to any computer system is malware. Malware is a form of malicious software which any file or program can be used to harm a computer user, such as worms, computer viruses, Trojan horses, and spyware. The second cyber threat is called ransomware. Ransomware attacks are a type of malware that involves an attacker locking the victim's computer system files, typically through encryption, and demanding a payment to decrypt and unlock them. Social engineering is probably the most popular kind of a cyber attack mechanism. Social engineering is an attack that relies on human interaction to trick users into breaking security procedures to gain sensitive information, and that is typically protected. Phishing is a form of fraud where fraudulent emails are sent that resemble emails from reputable sources. However, the intention of these emails is to steal sensitive data such as credit card and login information.